In this quick explainer, I'll show you how to manually pay an invoice on the SuiteDash platform. If you're using SuiteDash to streamline your business, knowing how to make manual payments is a key skill to have. Stick around, because I'll also reveal a great alternative solution to SuiteDash that might actually work better for your needs. First, let's start with logging into your SuiteDash account. Once you're in, head over to the Billing section. You'll usually find this in the left-hand navigation menu. If you can't see it right away, you might need to check under the Payments or Finance categories. Next, you'll see a list of open invoices. Find the one you want to pay. Each invoice will typically display its due date, amount, and the service it's tied to. If you're unsure which invoice you need to pay, you can always sort or filter them based on due date or status. Once you've located the right invoice, click on it. This will take you to a page with all the details of that invoice, including the total amount due. At the bottom, you'll see an option to Pay Now. Click that. The next thing you'll notice is the payment gateway options. SuiteDash offers several payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and bank transfers, depending on how the system is set up for your account. Choose the payment method that works best for you and follow the prompts. For credit card payments, you'll just enter your card details, and for PayPal, you'll be redirected to your PayPal account. Once your payment is processed, SuiteDash will confirm it, and you'll receive a receipt for your records. You can even set your invoices to be automatically marked as paid once the payment goes through, which can save you some time if you handle a lot of transactions. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that if you want to make partial payments, or if there are any issues with your invoice, SuiteDash allows you to communicate directly with the billing team. Just look for the Messages section on the invoice page to send a quick note. Finally, if you run into any issues while paying an invoice, don't hesitate to contact SuiteDash's support team. They offer help via chat and email, so you won't be stuck for long. So that's how you manually pay an invoice on the SuiteDash platform. But hold up, before you go, I want to mention something that might make your life even easier. SuiteDash is a powerful tool, but depending on your business goals, there are other platforms that could be a better fit, offering more flexibility and features for payments and client management. Now, I've got an exclusive deal for you. If you want to try out SuiteDash, I've got an extended free trial available, but I've also found some fantastic alternatives with free trials that may better serve your needs. These platforms have unique features that could help streamline your business processes even more efficiently. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are available only to our viewers. Be sure to check it out.